Dear viewers, you are most welcome to my online class. Today we discuss a very important topic of plant physiology. It is C4 plants. What is C4 plants? Example of C4 plants, characters of C4 plants, importance of C4 cycle or C4 plants, difference between C3 and C4 plants, difference between C3 or Kelvin cycle and C4 or Hassen-Schleck cycle. C3 is also known as Kelvin cycle and C4 is also known as Hassen-Schleck cycle. What is C4 plants? C4 plants has Hassen-Schleck cycle in which first stable product is 4-carbon oxaloacetic acid. Oxaloacetic acid is 4-carbon compound, so it is known as C4 plants or C4 cycle. C4 cycle is also known as Hassen-Schleck cycle. Example of C4 plants. First example is maize. Its scientific name is Gia maize. Next example is sugarcane. Its scientific name is Saccharum officinarum. Next, sorghum. Its scientific name is Sorghum bicolor. This is crepe grass. Next, foxtail millet. Its scientific name is Citeria italica. Then proso millet. Its scientific name is Penicum miliaceum. Next example is Guinea grass. Its scientific name is Megathyrsus maximus. Now we discuss characters of C4 plants. It's a plants of tropical zone. It means high temperature zone. C4 plants are growth well in this area. Optimal temperature is 30 to 45 degree Celsius. It's a very high temperature. Photosynthesis in high temperature. Photosynthesis is occurred in high temperature in these plants. Plasmodesmata. It's a very important characters of C4 plants. Plasmodesmata remain in between two cell in cell wall. It's a passage or pore to transport cytoplasm or other chemicals, etc. And there are two types of chloroplast. One is mesophyll chloroplast. It has grana, but other chloroplast is known as bundle sheath chloroplast. It has no grana. And grana is the complex structure of thylakoid. Thylakoid is disc-like or plate-like. When a stack is formed by thylakoids, many thylakoids, it is known as grana. C4 plants has trans anatomy. It's a very important characters. Xylem and phloem form vascular bundle, and this vascular bundle is surrounded by bundle sheath cell. So it is a rounded circular vascular bundle. It is very important. It is known as trans anatomy. Rubisco enzyme in bundle sheath cell. Rubisco enzyme is present in bundle sheath cell. Hughes starch granule in bundle sheath cell. Hughes starch granule is formed in the bundle sheath cell by photosynthesis. Photorespiration mostly absent in this C4 plants. In C4 plants, photorespiration is also a very important process. Importance of C4 cycle. C4 plants are active at high temperature 30 to 45 degrees Celsius. It is very important due to global warming. We know that greenhouse effect. By greenhouse effect, temperature is increasing day by day. In this condition, C4 plants will be adapted suitably with high temperature. Most active phosphoenol pyruvic acid. in C4 plants. C4 cycle also active when stomata of xerophytes is closed. Xerophytes in xerophytes stomata is closed in daytime. Due to this situation, stomata when stomata is closed, C4 cycle or photosynthesis is active. As a result, starch or glucose is formed or synthesized. Active at low concentration of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide concentration is decreased due to stomata closing. So it is very important concentration, low concentration of carbon dioxide. In this situation, C4 cycle is active. So it is very important process. Low transpiration and photorespiration. Due to stomata closing, transpiration become low and photorespiration also become low. High food production and easy transport due to Kranz anatomy. We know that xylem phloem in Kranz anatomy, xylem phloem is associated, remain with associated. As a result, xylem supply water and minerals to bundle sheath cell. As a result, photosynthesis is continued in bundle sheath cell, and glucose is synthesized in this bundle sheath cell. Easy transport due to phloem, here glucose is synthesized and then glucose is easily transported by phloem. Difference between C3 and C4 plants. There are some factors. First one is high temperature. In high temperature, C3 cycle or C3 plants are inactive, but C4 plants are active in high temperature. In C3 plants, Kranz anatomy is absent, but Kranz anatomy is present in C4 plants. Types of chloroplast. One type of chloroplast is found in C3 plants, whereas two types of chloroplast are found in C4 plants. One is mesophyll chloroplast. It has grana, but next another one is bundle sheath chloroplast. It has no grana. Concentration of necessary carbon dioxide 50 to 150 ppm parts. ppm means parts per million. It is very high in C3 plants, whereas concentration of carbon dioxide only 0.1 to 10 ppm in C4 plants. It is very low in low concentration in C4 plants. Kelvin cycle occurred in mesophyll cell in C3 plants, whereas Kelvin cycle is occurred in bundle sheath cell in C4 plants. Rate of photosynthesis very low in C3 plants but very high in C4 plants. Difference between C3 or Kelvin cycle and C4 and Hassen-Schleck cycle. Factors. One factors place of occurrence. C3 is occurred in mesophyll cell, whereas Hassen-Schleck cycle occurred in bundle sheath cell. Photorespiration is present in C3 cycle, whereas it is absent in C4 cycle. Receiver of primary carbon dioxide in C3 cycle, ribulose bisphosphate, whereas in C4 it is phosphenol pyruvic acid. Carbon dioxide fixing enzyme is Rubisco in C3 cycle, whereas carboxylase in C4 cycle. First stable product is 3-phosphoglyceric acid in C3 cycle. It is 3 carbon compound, so it is known as C3 cycle, whereas oxaloacetic acid in C4 cycle, it is 4 carbon compound, so it is known as C4 cycle. Types of chloroplast. This is 6 factor. Types of chloroplast is one type in C3 cycle or Kelvin cycle, whereas it is two types in C4 cycle. One is mesophyll chloroplast, another is bundle sheath chloroplast. That's all today. Thanks to remain with me. Please subscribe my channel. Please like, comment and share. Allah Hafiz.